Okay, another beautiful Bayswater by Mulberry. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's in black, in this mock croc leather, and it's in really, really good condition. So size-wise, I'm a UK 8'10", I'm about 5'4". Classic's a classic for a reason. It feels comfortable, it's nice and easy to use, and it looks fantastic. It comes with Mulberry care docks and also Mulberry dust bag. So it has of course got 4 studs on the base, and it has the padlock pouch. We've got Mulberry postman's lock on the front. Of course, gorgeous, lovely soft leather top handles. I'll open it up, lined in suede throughout, huge cavernous space of a bag. It's got one zipped pocket, can you see one zip pocket there, and it's got 2 flat pockets. It's got the Mulberry tag just here. It's very dark in this bag. And of course it's got the buckles, the internal buckles to adjust the side gussets, which I think is one of the most clever things I've ever seen in a bag, which of course say Mulberry on both of the buckles. Gorgeous, gorgeous piece of Mulberry this, in really useful black, goes with everything. Condition wise, it's very good condition, so very good hardware, very good exterior, very good interior. There is no actual issue with the bag, you can just see that it's been worn. I mean, if I show you the bottom corners, you will see what I mean. The bottom corners are in fabulous condition. Okay, the base of the bag is in brilliant condition. There's actually no real sign of wear on those corners. It's just that the bag just looks like it's perhaps been worn a few times. I don't think it's been stored brilliantly. As you can see, it needs to be padded out when it's stored, and it hasn't been. Again, the hardware, fabulous front. The back is also very good, but this just shows signs of wear on the receiving part of the lock. And again, inside, there are no issues with the inside. You can just see that it's been used. So we've called it very good throughout. It really, really is a beautiful black Bayswater. If you're after a Bayswater in black, this could be the one for you. There is a link to this. If you go to the comments below, click the link, it will take you to this page on our website. While you're on the website, sign up for the newsletter because we send you a discount code for 10% off your first purchase. Also in the comments below, there's a link so that you can follow us on Instagram, and then you'll get more regular updates of the new Armcandy that we have coming in. And of course, if you like our bag videos, then please give us the thumbs up.